For 15 years, South Africa excluded American poultry, but with the threat of being removed from the reauthorized African Growth and Opportunity Act, South Africa agreed to allow some US chicken imports, with technical implementation due by October the 15th, a deadline that's now been broken. As a result, South Africa could lose its tariff-free access to US markets, totaling around $1.7 billion of products through AGOA, including its lucrative auto industry.
From the perspective of the impact on the South African economy, it would be certainly extremely counterproductive. I mean, you would have the immediate impact of many billions dollars worth of preferences that the United States grants to a whole variety of exports from South Africa being removed. So the competitiveness of those exports in the United States market would be significantly harmed.
The US Trade Representative has confirmed that a review of South Africa's eligibility is being conducted, with the key element being progress towards the elimination of barriers to US trade and investment. The US has also said that South Africa's AGOA eligibility would be jeopardized if President Jacob Zuma signs into law a controversial bill requiring foreign-owned security contractors, including American company Tyco International, to divest majority stakes in their companies.
I think also there's a signalling effect here that South Africa essentially is unable to keep to the types of agreements that it does do, and that there are consequences to that. That can have a negative impact more broadly on sort of investor sentiment in the economy as well.
Now, 3 US senators from chicken-producing areas have issued a statement urging the US Trade Representative to take appropriate action in their review of South Africa's eligibility. Senator Chris Coons tells us through an emailed statement that we cannot tolerate South Africa's slow walking or backtracking on the agreement reached earlier this year. As this AGOA review gets underway here in the US capital, South Africa has not yet commented on these latest developments, but in a statement last month said it remained fully committed to the implementation of the letter and spirit of these agreements. Ryntjes, CCTV, Washington.